Pranayama is an ancient yogic technique that allows us to master one of the most powerful energies in the universe, prana. Prana is everywhere. Prana is in the universe. Prana is in the trees, it's within us, it's in the food we eat, and also in the air we breathe. Prana is what keeps the universe together. It's this universal life force that gives life to everything around us. The more prana we have, the more alive, the more vital, and the more healthy we become. Not only that, the more prana we have, the more access we have to the consciousness we carry within. Prana gives us access to consciousness. So learning how to master this life force is vital for us to have an optimal well-being, but also to advance in our spiritual growth. So Pranayama gives us breathing techniques, offer us different breathing techniques so we can learn how to expand and control this life force. So I want to invite you to this 5-week Pranayama course for well-being and spiritual growth, where we will cover all the different aspects of prana. We will understand the breath, how we breathe properly, the nervous system, how to increase our well-being with different breathing practices, but also how to advance in our spiritual growth using pranayama, using mantras, and other different methods. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. We start on Thursday, the 21st of November, and we're meeting every Thursday for 2.5 hours or 2 hours to go deep into learning about chakras, the energy body, prana, and pranayama. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. Namaste.